Oh no! I am getting damaged! Ah! A door. Wow, that drains your energy so fast. Energy. Door cannot be opened with that weapon. Oh, we're gonna get a power up. I bet you it's gonna be the missile launcher or something. Or the charge. Okay, we can do this. Jump. Jump! Come on, weapon. Get your glowing bug butt out of my face. Oh, this is great. We're shooting glowing bug butts. Warning. Warning. Oh, this is the seismic activity? Do I have to move this? I see a life form over there. It's a glowing bug butt. Or whatever those things. Got him. Can I push this? Whoa! What did I just get? What just happened? I got something red. Ah, my wrist! Don't squeeze, don't crush the controllers, man. What is happening? So the worst part of this game is the very beginning where you gotta learn the controls. Scan. Learning the controls was not fun, man. I was so angry. I was ready to shut it off. But I'm starting to really dig this trilogy. The atmosphere is like so nice. Oh. Uh-oh. Alien writing. I think I would appreciate it more if it was the HD with the, I don't like using the Wii U, the Wii controller. Oh, disconnect sometimes. Let's agitate this thing. A missile! What? Uh-oh. I gotta earn that missile? Whoa! Warning, warning. Just shoot. I'm scared. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh my god. Oh, here we go. I don't know what's happening. Oh. Oh. Oh, I can't, my hand's cramping up from the stupid Wii U controller. Or Wii controller. Wiimote. Holy cow, man. How much? I'm swatting mosquitoes here for missiles. Oh, you got me. I'm just gonna stand right here and wait for them to stop in front of me. Oh. Whoa, there's so many of them. Are they stinging me? Yes, my energy is at 81. I'm having conversations with myself. I'm just gonna stay in the middle. Holy cow, why is this? My hand hurts. Oh, I don't like these controls. All right, I'm getting really ticked off here. Where are they? Stop in front of me. Thank you. Thank you, kind sir. Where's my floor? What? Oh, I don't want to do this anymore. This boss sucks. What am I supposed to do? Maybe I have to go with the rhythm of these guys. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. I'm not gonna die. Maybe I should watch a playthrough of someone who knows what they're doing. Because I am suffering here. There's gotta be a better way to do this, man. I can't turn into a ball. Got him. Oh, you bugger. Man, I'm sweating from pressing this button so fast. Wow, they're so fast. I'm gonna die. Just gonna keep shooting straight. Oh. Got him. Last one's over here. Oh. Where is he? Oh gosh, that sucked. Oh, my hands. Ah. I don't like these controllers at all. Let's go. That's the jump button. Now I can open that other door that had the missile thing on it. Missile launcher acquired. Press down to fire and press A to switch back to beams. Missiles can destroy some blast shields on doors. Okay. Additional data downloaded to the inventory screen. Press 2 to access the inventory screen. So let's practice. Door cannot be opened with that weapon. Where's the cross? Oh, so far away. Okay. Energy tank required. Acquired. Maximum energy capacity increased by 100. Come on, that's what I need. So I'm at 99 right now. What is this? 5 missiles. I need more energy. I don't have the ball. No. I need the ball thing. All right, I'm still, so we got missiles now. We can go up. I bet you if I open that door, that ball thing is gonna be there. Or there was a door back here. Make sure I step onto the right. Oh my gosh. The intensity.